Changing your primary email on InMotion hosting is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the InMotion hosting website and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Account Management panel where you can access your email settings. Step 2. Access email accounts. Once logged in, locate the email section in the control panel. Click on Email Accounts to view all the email accounts associated with your hosting plan. Step 3. Identify your current primary email. In the list of email accounts, identify which one is currently set as your primary email. This is the email address you will be changing. Step 4. Change primary email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Ezra to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify changes. After changing the primary email, check your account settings to ensure the new primary email is displayed correctly. You may also want to log out and log back in to verify that the changes have taken effect. In conclusion, updating your primary email on InMotion hosting is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Make sure to double check your settings to ensure everything is correct.